Number 2 on the study guide, here we go. We're looking at a graph, and on the graph we have an ordered pair right here. So I would recommend, if you're working this problem, then I would make a little T-chart for yourself of what is X. Ooh, that's the ugliest line I think I might have ever drawn, but oh well. X and Y, and when X is 6, how did I know that? Well, it's the first of the ordered pairs, so it represents W, which actually is the weight in pounds. This is what I would guess, because it says C is cost in dollars. So X is weight, and that means that Y is money. It's the cost. And actually, in this particular one, they use W and C, but I like to keep my X and Y's so I know which one's horizontal, which one's vertical, yada, 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 whatever. So, oh no, they're talking.
Emily Miller to the office.
Emily Miller, you better get to the office, Emily. I don't know who you are, but okay. $16.15. So 6 pounds, $16.15. And this is 6 pounds of blueberries, cost that much money. So the first problem, a pound of blueberries would cost $2.75. Well, I don't know. Let's see if that would make sense. I would take that number right there and divide it by 6, because Y divided by X would tell me how much each one costs. I'm doing it on my calculator right now. 1650 divided by 6, that gives me $2.75. So how did I get this number? I took 1650 and divided by 6, the constant of proportionality. That's when X is 1. And that's a true statement, because 1 pound weighs 275. That works for me. Everything in this table can be multiplied by 2.75 on the left to get what's on the right, because that's the constant of proportionality. So that one's true, that one's good. So the reverse of that's not going to be true, right? 2.75 pounds is not going to be $1. That wouldn't make any sense. If 1 costs that much, reverse, not going to make any sense. 5 pounds, okay, what if I put 5 pounds? Could I multiply that by 2.75 and get $15.50? Well, let me grab my calculator and check. 5 times 1550, that's $77.50. I'm sorry, I multiplied the wrong one. 5 times 2.75, that's $13.75. That's not true. That doesn't work. I tried to multiply it out. It doesn't equal, so I'm not going to select that one either. That one's not true. So let's move on to the next one. What about 12 pounds? Would 12 pounds cost $33? Well, I would need to multiply 12 times 2.75. 12 times 2.75. It is equal to 33. That one does work when I multiply it out, so I want to make sure I select that one. That one is good. Good to go. Good to go. And then this one right here, 3 and 9, that point is just another point on the graph. Well, 3 times 2.75 is not 9. I know that because 3 times 3 is 9. So that one's not going to work. Not going to be that one. So my answers are A and D. See ya.